Let's do a bulk upload of cohort data on our Moodle test server. Site administration, users, cohorts, upload cohorts. And here I've got a CSV file. There are 3 columns here. Name, all lowercase, ID number, all one word, all lowercase, and description, also all lowercase. These column headers need to be spelled just like that. These are the cohort names. These are the IDs for the cohorts, and we'll use these IDs when we do the user update, and that will allow us to go ahead and put those users into these cohorts. And then in the 3rd column, we've got a description of each cohort. You ought to take a look at the Upload Cohorts page on Moodle.org. Learn more about this and learn about what other fields that you can import while you're uploading your cohorts. And this file should be saved as a CSV file, so you go to File, Save As, and then the file extension drop down here. You'll see there actually are several different kinds of CSV files. Make sure to use the UTF-8, comma delimited CSV file and save that. And I'm just going to drag and drop that CSV file right in here, or you could browse to it if you want to. Click Preview, and here are the first 10 rows of that spreadsheet. Everything looks good here, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and click the Upload Cohorts button. And it says it's worked, so I'll click Continue. And those cohorts are in there.